He's fully stressed out now. He has lost hope. So this is the climax scene for the life of Pan. So a lot of things are going on in Pan's mind. So let us see what decision he's going to take now.
बहुत हो गया यार यहाँ पे। मिराकिल कंपनी, क्या मिराकिल कंपनी। इतना सोचा था यार। You know what? While joining, I was having 2 offer letters. One was Oracle. Other one was Miracle. I thought like Miracle is a small company and there are a lot of stuffs to learn. I can learn a lot. So I selected Miracle. First day I came, you guys saw how was my HR. Super hard, but can't do anything. It was expecting so much from them. They were saying like I will have hikes, bonus, everything. What was there? You know guys, I have done a big mistake. I didn't join Oracle. I should have joined Oracle, you know. You know guys, in Oracle, yeah, in Oracle, they gave 1 full day leave for every week. You didn't hurt me. Good. Arey yaar, serious scene hai. Don't make it comedy. Wait, this is a serious scene. I need to do it. Yeah, in Oracle, they used to get 1 full day leave for every week, you know. In Oracle, they get 110% hike every year. But what we get here in Miracle? Nothing, yaar. Now it's exactly, sir. You know what, sir? In my real life, Monday is my induction. No, really. No, it's more than enough. I am going to join Oracle.
So we all saw Life of Pan. Quite interested, quite unexpected. It took different roles, right? But Kiruba, I'm finally glad for Pan. He made the right decision in life by joining Oracle, not Miracle.
Of course, Rajita. Imagine life, man. Work life without bonus, without hike, without promotion, not even a dry promotion.
But Kiruba, I wonder, will Pan get it this time now?
Rajita, let's say next year.
Yeah. But also, do you think he'll get it even next year? What do you think, guys?
Rajita, we have right guys here.
Right.
Mike, do we get bonus next year? Oman, are we gonna get promotion next year?
Of course, Kiruba. We will get it. Remember, this is Oracle, not Miracle.
Yes!
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for your time. I hope you guys had fun.
Yes, so with lot of fun, we have our wonderful show yet to go. It's not the end. Please bear with us for some time so you can enjoy the last events of our show.
This is the climax of all events, and there's something you shouldn't miss.
Yes.
Something which the first row is going to participate into. You guys have to watch this. Over to Rajni.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Hello. I would like to introduce all the people that worked hard for this event and for this particular skit. So I'm going to introduce all the characters now. So the hero of the skit, Pan, Mr. Pan. I tortured him a lot during the rehearsal sessions. So this is a Pan played by Gautam Sagar.
Thank you.
Then I know the next most character you liked in the skit is Varsha Patale. So Varsha Patale, please come onto the stage. Varsha? Okay, next. The traffic constable that you have seen, traffic constable stopping the people, that is Narendra Rajagopal Rao from the Sealed Air team. Okay, Santosh Siddhappa. He played Frankie and original Swanky, Yamaraj. Okay, so he's from Alcoa Project. Harsha. Harsha who played Chitragupta and Rohan. Thank you, Harsha. And also Bhadra. Meghasham. Meghasham, can you guys tell me what he played? Swanky. That is Swaminathan Krishnamurthy, Swanky short form. Okay. Thank you, Meghasham. Then Raghuraman. Raghuraman, please.
It's okay, sir.
Okay, they are getting ready for the fashion show. So you can see that credits going on there. So we don't know, we got a wonderful script from somebody, I don't know that, but we executed it well, I guess. So I think it all taken in a good spirit. Said,
Sir, how about me?
Before saying anything.
one more.
Exactly. That's what I want to say. I don't know how many guys know Telugu or Hindi. Karta, Kriya, Karma. That will come under brackets in front of Rajnikant.
Don't put me in trouble. Okay, Gabbar. One more main character, Gabbar Singh. He has brought life to the anchoring. Who carried well his character. This was added in the last minute, so he did it very well. And thanks a lot, Gabbar Singh. His name is Krishanu, working for Valet Project.
Our Varsha Patale.
This is our Varsha Patale. I have put out her for this character. Thank you, Varsha.
And also I need to
Her
say,
name is Pooja Mishra. Pooja Mehra, sorry. Hey, Roman. This is a Roman. He played multiple roles. He is multi-talented. And he has given life to the script. And which character of him you liked the most? All. Tell me the best. Less than a quarter kilometer from here. So we are going to show that is a map there. So you are here now. This is the MLR. We are here now. So we are going to walk across and take a ride. This is the Woodrose. That's where the dinner is going to be served, but not until the program is over. So please don't start leaving. We have a very good programs coming up yet. Okay.
there are a lot of people who are in this because we didn't get named by name at last.
Yeah. Publicity, director of publicity. We have a director here, director of publicity, that is Mr. Neeladri, who has put. He has worked a lot. This guy is a man of action, not auction. So he has worked day and night, and yesterday he was sleeping here to continue to complete some of the work. So thanks, hats off Neeladri for your hard work. Anchors, Kiruba Samuel from Valet Project, and Rajata Bagalkot, also from Valet Project. Okay, I think she is in Shade Bull, so I got confused. She is in Office Depot.
And even you have seen like lot of music stuff which we came. That's from Sandeep. He's sitting over there. A
Sandeep.
big round of applause for him.
Yeah, Sandeep is there in the core committee, and he has put all the music, whatever the songs we sang, the music, all the tracks were put by Sandeep. So hats off to Sandeep. Yeah. So now we will go to start the fashion show.